In today's video, I'm going to teach you to add a new payee on the Barclays app. Let's start by opening the Barclays app and logging into your account. Use your usual sign-in method and make sure you're on a secure, trusted internet connection. Having the payee's details handy before you begin will make this quick and smooth. Once you're in, look along the bottom of the screen and tap Pay and Transfer. This is the hub for anything related to sending money, moving funds, or managing who you pay. From here, select the Pay option. You don't have to send any money yet. This simply opens the payment tools and gives you access to your list of payees. On the Pay screen, tap Add a Payee. If you've paid someone before, they'll appear in your existing list, but because we're setting up a brand new recipient, you'll be creating a fresh entry. Choose Add a New Payee and then select Add New Bank Details. This tells the app you want to enter details manually rather than picking someone you've paid previously. It's the right choice whenever you're paying a person or business for the first time. Now enter the payee's bank details. You'll be asked for their name, account number, and sort code. Take your time here. The sort code is usually 6 digits, and the account number is typically 8 digits. It's a good idea to copy these from a trusted source and double-check every digit to avoid delays or misdirected payments. If the app shows a name matching or confirmation prompt, read it carefully to ensure the details align with what you expect. Some forms also include a reference or nickname field. Adding a clear reference can help you recognize this payee later and keep your records organized. After you've entered everything accurately, save the payee to your account. The app will store the details securely, so you won't have to retype them next time. If you ever need to edit or review the information, you can return to Pay and Transfer and find the payee in your list. And that's it. Your new payee has been added and is ready for payments. Before you send money, always verify that the person or business is legitimate and that the details you saved are correct. Keeping your payee list tidy and clearly labeled will make future transfers faster and reduce errors. Thanks for watching, and now you're set up to pay with confidence using the Barclays app.